This is Sophia. She's a wime,
That's interesting.
and she was working a running covey of chukar. Here we caught up with her while she's managing these birds, and we're getting this finished up so we can get out front and get a shot. We're just kind of letting her take her time to work this covey. She's free to move and manage those birds. She knows not to push them, not to flush them. She knows that. She's going to get them to hold, and she'll present them to the guns when we ask her to. You see her, we've caught up, and she's being very cautious. She's moving a little bit, getting them to stick because they've been running. She's free to do what she likes. She knows not to flush them. She knows not to put pressure on them. But she's got to get them to stop running and to hide so that we can get a shot at them, so we can give her the opportunity to flush them for us. And that's why movement is good, as long as the intent is to keep the birds managed and not flush them or chase them. Now we're getting the shooter in position so he has his best chance at the shot. I'm filming this and also handling her. I'm going around to the other side. Now she has them set. I'm waiting a moment to make sure that she's done, and then I'm going to give her the all right, which is my cue for her to flush the birds, but not chase them. You'll see some other birds flush also when she does this. And then after the bang, I let her go, and she goes and does her retrieve. Beautiful work.
All right. Touch.